What's in the box? 4 great ways to unlock great career conversations. Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. Career conversations are a really important way in which we help people understand their performance but realise their potential. And as managers, sometimes we can be too prescriptive. We can think that someone wants to just go vertically. But actually, we know that careers today are all about that lateral, that squiggly move. So here at Let's Talk Talent, we've created career coaching cards, which will help you as managers and even your employees have great career conversations. They give you the essential questions that you would like to have in a career conversation. They work on 4 suits. The first is led by me. This is for employees. These essential questions help an employee prepare for a career conversation, get them to think so that it makes it easier when you're in that career conversation. The second is backed by the organisation. This is where you as an HR leader may want to take a moment and think about all of the tools, resources, elements that you've created for careers and create that join up for people. The third is supported by managers. This is where your managers will start to have a look and think about the essential questions that they would ask in any career conversation to enable that person to understand their strengths, their values, and where they might enhance their performance, but also you're helping activate their potential. So the fourth is you outside the organisation. Now, when most people think about careers, they think about themselves within a business. This suit is all about networking. Are you creating networks outside? What have you done in your previous work? Fundamentally, it enables you to take your head out of the organisation you work with and look at the wider picture. Now, I've used these in many career conversations because what I've really wanted to understand is the motivation of someone's career. So take a look inside. I know you're going to have a lot of fun with them and really think about how you might use them in an organisational context, an individual coaching context, but also to enhance your manager's capability, skills, will and confidence. I hope you enjoy them. Have you used our career coaching cards? What did you think of them? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave your comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.